Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL 50 series, and now we have to solve one more question on basic join, which is employee bonus. Okay, so in this question there is given a table employee where employee ID, there is given a column name, employee ID, name, supervisor and salary, and their data type has been given int, varchar, int and int. Okay, so here is given that employee ID is a unique value, means it is a primary key for this table. Each row of this table indicates the name and the ID of an employee in addition to their salary and the ID of their manager. And again there is given a second table which is bonus. Okay, so the bonus has two column, name which is employee ID and bonus, their type is int. And in the same way employee ID is also a unique, so it is in primary key for this bonus table. I mean a foreign key. Okay, it is in foreign key. And each row of this table contain the ID of employee and their respective bonus. So here is given an employee ID and their respective bonus is also given in this table. So in this question you have to write the solution to report the name and the bonus amount of each employee who satisfy either the following. Okay, so you have to write the solution with the name and the bonus amount. Okay, you have to print the name and the bonus amount, which is following two conditions, which is the bonus should be less than 1000 and the employee who did not get any bonus. So you have to print it that the bonus should be less than 1000 and who did not get any bonus. Okay, so you just have to print the result in any order. So let's understand with an example here. Here is given an employee table, okay, and the bonus table. Okay, so employee table is given here, this one, and bonus table is here, and you just have to print whose bonus is less than 1000 and who is not getting any bonus. Okay, so the bonus table is given that employee 2 and employee 4, employee 2 and 4 are getting the bonus. Okay, so bonus is here 500 for 2 and for 4 there is 2000. So you just have to print only those employee ID whose whose value is less than 1000. So here is only employee 2 ID. Employee ID 2 is only getting 500 bonus, so you just have to first print 2 here. The name is Dan. Okay, so you have to print a Dan, and other 3 and 1 is not getting any bonus, so you just have to print Brad and John also because they are not getting any bonus, so you just have to print it. Okay, so in this question there is given that who is not getting any bonus and whose bonus is less than 1000, you just have to print it. Okay, so I hope you understand. This question is very simple. You just have to perform the left join in this table because you have to traverse all the columns. Okay, you have to traverse all the columns, so you just have to take the left join. Okay, so let's first you have to write select, and then I will write after from employee I will rewrite as an E, and then I will perform the left join bonus B. Okay, and then on E dot employee ID is equals to B dot employee ID. Okay, where you have to perform B dot bonus is null. Okay, or B dot bonus, not capital, B dot bonus should be less than 1000. Okay, and after this you just have to print name and bonus. Okay, so I will write E dot name comma b dot bonus. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.